Hello friends, this is what is software requirement specification document. A software requirement specification document contains the following: a complete description of the software's purpose and functionality, details as to how the software will perform in terms of speed, response time, availability, portability, maintainability, recovery speed, and more. Use cases of how users will use the software. The definition of how the application will interact with other hardware and the program. Non-functional requirements, for example, performance engineering requirements, quality standards, or design constraints. Why is it important? A SRS allows developers to be clear on the goal of the software and on what they should focus on. Furthermore, it allows them to save time on communication, minimize development efforts, gives the customer feedback, eliminate task duplication, facilitated the transfer to new users or to new machines, breaks problem down into parts, serves as the main document to verify the validation and testing processes. Referring to past SRS documents helps identify different deficiencies and process flaws. How, how to write a software requirement specification document. There is no standard way of writing the requirements specification document, but here are a few guidelines. Create an SRS outlines, that is, if you do not already have an SRS template, there are many you can find on the web. Use a template to create an outline for the SRS document. Modify it to suit your organization's need. SRS outlines vary depending on the organization and their processes. Some may be simple while others are more detailed and complex. Here is an example of a simple SRS outline. First one, purpose. Second, scope. Third, system overview. Four, references. Fifth, definition. Six, use cases. Seven, functional requirements. And eight, non-functional requirements. Once outlined, the SRS is ready to be written. Here are some tips. Writing an SRS. Choose the best person to write it. The writer should have superior communication skills. The purpose of the SRS is to make everyone understand the specifications. Involve technical writers while creating SRS. They are more skilled writers than developers, and they have an ear for precision and clarity. Technical writers know how to gather and process the right information. They also know how to convey customer requirements. Make things visual. A picture can save 1000 words, include graphics such as tables and charts. to communicate your ideas better. Don't ever over document. Avoid including things that may not need to be documented. Keep an online version of the SRS and keep updating as your task progress, and if your staff and process changes, the SRS will need to be updated. For this reason, keeping a virtual version will help keep the whole team on the same page every time a change is made. Thanks for watching the video.